Hello lovely Capricorns, how are you? I hope you all doing fine. Welcome to my channel Twinkling Stars Astro. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel to get the updates, to get the regular updates of my videos, alright? This channel is all about the occult sciences, where you get your weekly readings, bi-weekly readings, your monthly readings, how your relationships are going with you, and with your partner, your careers, and many more. So stay tuned with me. Please post your suggestion in the comment box down below so that I can improvise with my videos and get better with it with the time. All right. This reading is a general reading, alright, so it might get resonate with you, it might not resonate with you, so don't get hard pressed on yourself if it doesn't resonate with you, because might not be a message for you, maybe next week. So nothing to worry about, and rest of the description is given below into the description box down below, so kindly see that. Alright, so let's begin, Capricorn. Alright, so let's see what do we have for this week for my Capricorns. Okay, alright, Capricorn. Anxiety, stress. Okay, what do we have for my lovely Capricorns this week, Holy Spirit? What do we have for my Capricorns this week? Okay. What do we have for my Capricorns this week? What do we have for my Capricorns this week? Okay, what do we have for my Capricorns this week? Alright, what do we have for my Capricorns this week? Okay, again too many cards. My Capricorns this week. Alright, Capricorn, what is the message? What is the challenge for my Capricorn this week? Challenge for my Capricorns this week. Okay. And how to overcome the challenge? Alright. What is the final outcome? What is the final outcome? Okay. What is the final outcome? Oh. Alright. Alright, Capricorn. At the bottom of the deck, I have Six of Wands, victory. Rejoicing victory this week, Capricorn. Victory is at your on your cards this week. Alright, so let's begin with your health. With this Four of Swords, your mental health is challenging you this week. You're full of stress, something is bothering you, you're overthinking about something, you're overthinking about the people, that why people are talking about you, and what they are talking, you're worried about that, and because of that is giving you anxiety, and that is disturbing your health. Alright, so take rest, Capricorn. It's okay. People have, people are meant to be meant to talk, so they talk. Alright, so it's okay. Nothing to worry about. Alright, just rest. Just have a good sleep. That is all you required for this week. Alright, and just get away from this anxiety and stress, because you're too much, your mental health is too much challenged this week. Alright, coming towards your finances this week. Okay, with this Emperor card, utilize your finances wisely. That's the call. From your past experiences, use your experiences, use the experiences of the elderly people around you, and then utilize and invest your finances, alright, and invest them wisely, otherwise you have to face the consequences. Alright, a caution for you in terms of finances. Okay, at your workplace, workplace is treating you well. Alright, with this Temperance card, nothing to worry about. Alright, just maintain the balance of the hard work and a good relationship with your colleagues and with your seniors, and everything will be fine. Success will be yours. God is with you, angels are with you, so nothing to worry about at your workplace. Alright, okay, now coming to your relationship this week, Sagittarians, with this Knight of Swords, something is not going good. Something is not going good. There's a flirtatious energy what I'm feeling around you. Somebody is flirting with you, or maybe you are flirting with somebody. All right, and you're very fast moving energy. You want the things just like this, you know, just you want the things to go so fast, and then that is, you know, letting the people around you, maybe your partner in a relationship, to get run off you. All right, so you need to hold on, Capricorn, this week. In terms of your relationships, you know, you're scaring your partners. You're scaring your partner with this, you know, ferocious energy of Knight of Swords, with that sword. And, you know, look at this horse. You know, how fast the horse is running. And then look at this knight sitting on this sword, you know, full of action, full of, you know, rage. So, you need to slow down a bit. You need to slow down your horse. All right? Do not scare your partner in a relationship. Otherwise, you will remain alone at the end of the day. All right, so caution for you in terms of a relationship, Capricorn. All right, coming towards your challenge, Capricorn, this week, communication. Your Mercury is not good this week, Capricorn. Communication is a challenge. You know, communication is a challenge for you this week. All right, and you're not communicating well. Just communicate in a rhythm. You know, you're thinking a lot before communicating, and you're still looking at back. मैंने सही बोला, whether I have said it right, whether I didn't, you know, and you're introspecting a lot with this Page of Swords. All right, choose one thing, Capricorn. You know, like this. You know, look at this page. He is looking back, but his foot is going ahead. All right, choose one thing. Whether you want to look at back, look completely, introspect. All right, and then move ahead. Either stop looking back and move out and move ahead completely. All right, that is the overcoming way of your communication this week. All right, what you have said to the people previously in the past, let it go. Don't look at back again and again. Now watch your words, which you're going to use from now there on with the people, with your colleagues, with your partner, or, you know, maybe anybody coming across to you in terms of communication. Just don't look at back. All right, that, okay, I have said this thing to him at that time, okay, now what to do? All right, no. You have to look ahead. You don't have to look back. All right, so that is the challenge for you and the overcoming way. Okay, the final outcome for the Capricorn this week is the World and the Moon. Too many major arcanas for you, Capricorn. Something happening because of the karma. This is a karmic lesson for you, whatever is happening for you. All right. This week is a karmic week for you, because 4 major arcana cards I'm having over here. All right, the World is something, you know, what I feel is this: somebody who has backstabbed you, you know, somebody who has backstabbed you or have cheated you in the past, because of whom you have came in anxiety, is now going away and you are getting into a new cycle. That's the final message for you for this week. All right, so just watch out that what's